Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your microphone not working on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! There are a couple of ways in which we can fix our microphone not working, because there are a couple of issues that could occur while you're trying to use your microphone. First of all, the most common issue is the fact that your audio is being rerouted and you don't even know. Though some very careful watchers will probably see the little Bluetooth icon on our notification bar. This means that we have a Bluetooth device currently connected to our phone, meaning that whenever we try to use our microphone, it will actually going to use the microphone from our Bluetooth device, and in my case it's some random earbuds. And as you can see, I didn't really know that I had them out. I was having one inside the bottle, but the other was outside, and therefore it was connected. So in order to make sure that your audio isn't rerouted, you want to simply disable your Bluetooth completely. And with that, we now know that our microphone from our device is the one that should be working right now. However, sometimes it lacks permissions to do so. So let's head into settings, let's scroll down a little, and let's enter privacy. Inside privacy, want to go into app permissions, and here right at the bottom we should see microphone. As you can see, 7 of 23 apps are allowed to use microphone, and likely no application is allowed to use it all the time, though one could say Google always listens. I don't know, I don't know the source of this information. And by the way, we can hide our earbuds now. So if your application that you want to use, for example the voice recorder, doesn't have any permissions for recording your audio, or in other words for actually using the microphone, it won't be able to record audio, resulting in the illusion that your microphone isn't working. For example, we don't really have a voice recorder in here, but it's pretty important to also note that usually when you activate an application for the first time, though actually we don't really have a voice recorder. Yeah, we actually don't have a voice recorder, that's quite interesting. But if we would have a voice recorder and we would activate it, then it would automatically at the start try to ask us if we would give it, the application, the permissions that it needs. If you accidentally said no or just clicked somewhere, then it lacks these permissions, meaning that it won't be able to record your audio. Also, you can always clean the port that is actually used to record the voice, meaning of course talking about the microphone port. Just be very careful. I would advise you to clean the microphone port with soft toothbrush, maybe wooden toothpick at best. Do not use anything do not use anything metallic. So no needles, no pins, no whatever, because usually you will result in further damage to your microphone and you will just do more harm than good. Also, if it's a physical damage of your microphone, then no settings that you will change here will actually help. You have to have your phone checked, usually in Sony shop or I don't know, the phone workshop in your area. You want to have your phone, you have to have your microphone checked, because physical damage also happens and there's no way to fix the physical damage via some things that you can click on your phone. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.